What's up? This is your boy Zeke Dog, and I'm back with another video. So, man, I've been trucking. I have definitely been trucking. I'm currently in, let's see, let me view the map to see where the heck I am. I'm in Nebraska. I know that. I'm like far west. Side of Nebraska. No, that don't tell me. Is there like a where are you button on here? Let's see, recent. Scotts Bluff. Okay. Scotts Bluff, Nebraska. And I am delivering some shingles. You probably can't see it. Let me help you out. Show you what you're working with. Shake it fast. Alright. Got these shingles. And you see my guy over here. He's already taking these babies off. So get this load done. Gotta wait about 30 minutes to get that. Then after those 30 minutes, I'll be heading. I'm gonna get my next load. Whew, yeah. Oh man, I felt that. It's dusty out here. It's dusty out here. So you got your boy sneezing, but man, I've been enjoying this. Like I said, I had a bad day. I'm gonna tell y'all about it. I keep saying I'm gonna tell y'all about it. I may tell y'all about it later on today or tomorrow or something. But now I'm back happy again. You know, there's nothing perfect in this world, man. You control what you can control. And the things that you can't control, don't stress over it. Just let it go. What's gonna happen is gonna happen. You know, at that point, you just go with the flow. You can't fight a river. You can't move a mountain. Some things just are what they are. So, on that note, we're gonna be trucking today, man. I'm gonna show y'all what we're going to next. Oh, I just got my truck washed like 2 days ago when I was in Joplin, Missouri. I don't know if y'all can see the level of dust that is on my truck. But guess what? I found me a truck wash. I found a car wash with a truck. Dang it. To die here with a truck bay. So I don't mind spending a little money on what I call my truck, you know, because I drive it. Got my name on the side of it. It's a reflection of me. Now, being a flatbedder, you are gonna be in construction zone, dusty work areas. It's gonna happen. So if I can get my TMC wash once a week, and then also get in a wash that I cover. Like, I can go there, put $5 in the machine, and spray the dust off, and I'm happy. That works because I've already had a deep clean wash earlier that week. Now I've just knocked the dust off of it, and she's looking good again. And I say she because we still haven't got a name for her yet. So, if y'all thinking of names, I'm still looking through comments. I'm still checking that to see what names we gonna go with for my girl. So Let's see what today brings. Yep, so your boy's washing his own truck. Check me out, check me out.